What's up, guys? We're going to the farm on football.
A motorbiker?
Yeah, motorbiker. Bye, motorbiker.
Whoa, that was fast.
So what are we doing today?
Going to the farm and football.
What first though?
Football. My football. And then we're going to the shops to get the picnic stuff. No, you are.
Yeah.
You dropping us, me and Daddy off at football.
Yeah. And then we're going to go TESCO, B&M,
Yellow car.
pick you up, and to the farm. Excited?
Yeah. Yes. Because he's going to see you.
Yes. Like a snake. Yes.
Mom,
Yeah.
he got
Pardon?
seats.
Something under the seat?
Got
Torch.
Toys?
Horses.
Toys.
There's a stable.
Oh yeah.
Motorbiker.
Shame.
Mummy.
Yeah?
BMW van. Can you put something else on the radio? Turn
Yeah.
it up.
Will in a sec.
We're nearly at football. It's the 10.
Can you show us where it is?
Yeah. Another 10. When I play football, it's at Brown Hills.
Eva, what's up, guys? Is that you, Evie?
We just turn here.
Where do we turn? Left or right?
Left.
Good boy. There's lots of cars there, Isaac.
Yeah.
Got lots of friends here.
Yeah. The whole team.
Wow.
I only know one player. Mia. Well, we do the football at the back.
Do you?
The very back. You see all those at the very back? That's where I am.
Whoa.
Big dog.
Big field to play on, isn't it?
Yeah.
Could do look stuck in it.
Hi. We just dropped them off.
We certainly did. What? That's Mummy's phone, not Daddy's phone.
Yeah.
Somebody's out
Mummy's
upstairs
phone's
there.
there.
We're going to go to TESCO, get some food for our picnic, and might have a cheeky looking B&M while we're there because it's right next door, isn't it? So that'll be good, won't it, girlies? But we've got to be quick. He's got to come back in an hour. Back in 1 hour.
So, 60 minutes.
And then we're going to,
The farm.
it's called Lower Drayton Farm, and it looks like there's a big indoor soft play area as well, isn't there, as the outdoors. So if we get rained off a bit, at least we can go inside and play, can't we? Because you normally go, Evie, you guys normally go to football with Daddy, don't you? Because I'm working usually. Irene, quiet. I'm screaming. Apparently Eva's called Irene now. She only answers to Irene, doesn't she, Imogen?
Yeah.
Keep calling her Evie. She's like, I'm not Evie, I'm Irene. Don't be silly. So it was quick. 3 minutes to get here.
Why are you coming here?
Parking, so we're going to go shopping now.
Hi. Hi, Mom.
Hi.
I got it.
Hi.
Witchy it.
You got a witchy stick?
Yeah.
Oh, right, okay.
That's why Witchy comes. Raining. I'm not raining.
It's raining.
Yeah.
Go on, Isaac. You're good. You bumped at the bottom. You can see the bits of food left over. What are we on, Elsie? Going to look for the baby calf. The mummies. Or is it an alpaca? I don't know. Oh, he's going in.
Yeah, Mom.
That one.
I see a ball. I see a ball. Wait, what? There's ball.
Look, you're all looking at that and sound like a pig. Boris
My
was very,
baby.
very upset.
Baby
That's
one.
Boris.
Baby one, girl. There's a ginger
Yeah?
ball. Boris the
Blonde
pig.
coloured car. Yeah?
Is he called Boris the pig?
No, he's called Boris the bull. Here's a
Hey, don't Bob over there.
We go
I'm
in.
going.
Drive in. Those, yeah. Can you see them? Can you see them, Evie? Yeah, when you can stand up there in a minute. Oh, I stink.
Can you pick me up, Mummy?
Hold on, go up the steps then. Yeah, you see them now? Okay, Evie, move over a little bit. Let Elsie up. Climb up, us. Climb up the steps. That's it.
Mom, I can't get.
You can.
Mommy, I want this.
No, leave the steps. We're not meant to move them. Yeah? It's a big one with big horns. Look at those. Oh. Oh.
Got Mummy.
Good girl, Elsie.
Not working.
She's not working. Oh no, the battery's gone.
Yeah.
Oh dear. Never mind, we'll get some more. Push them good though, give them a scrub. We have to wash your face as well. Excellent work.
Okay.
Say hi everybody.
Hi, everybody.
So, have we had a busy day?
Yeah.
Yeah, what have we done?
There
Play area.
and beaches. On the slide.
And you went on the slide and we've seen some piggies.
And beach.
Huh?
Beach. I like
We've been on some swings.
Yeah.
And you've been everywhere, haven't you? And you've been to Nanny's and you've had some dinner, some cake for Isaac's birthday, wasn't it? So Isaac was 7, wasn't he? What are you doing? And now we're getting into bed.
Me too.
So at the moment, the girls have got mattresses on the floor because we are moving house. Yay, moving house. But we don't know where we're moving, but we've taken the beds down in readiness anyway. So the girls just have like a big old sleepover fest in here. So we need to make your beds, don't we? Just tuck you in because you've just jumped all over them. So, what are you going to say, girls?
Thanks for watching. Good morning.
Thanks for watching. So, hit the notification bell
Thank you, bro.
and subscribe.
Baby.
And see you soon.
And see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.